Alright, I'm going to show you how to do a virus scan on your Windows 11 computer. Windows 11 actually includes a built-in antivirus tool called Windows Security. It used to be called Windows Defender, and it can either automatically check your PC in the background, or you can also manually scan it anytime you want. To get started, I'll click the Start menu and then search for Windows Security. It'll look like this, and we'll go ahead and open it. You'll get a little security overview, and on the left side, we'll go to Virus and Threat Protection. This shows your current status, including when the last scan ran and a few scanning options. You can run a quick scan, which checks the system folders where threats are most commonly found. Or, if you want something deeper, click into Scan Options, and you'll see a few more choices. A full scan checks every file, running program, and hard drive sector on your computer. This can take anywhere from 30 to 90 minutes, depending on your computer. A custom scan lets you pick specific folders, drives, or external volumes to check. And the last option, Microsoft Defender Offline Scan, is meant for more severe malware that blocks standard removal attempts. This restarts your PC and runs the scan before Windows fully boots up, which makes it ideal for removing stubborn rootkits or persistent threats. Anyways, that is how you scan your PC for malware, or viruses, whichever term you want to use. I'm going to go ahead and run a quick scan here to demonstrate. As it runs, you'll see the estimated time remaining and how many files it's scanned so far. Go give it a try, and don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful. Thanks all, I'll see you in the next one.